What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I was surfing the internet when I stumbled upon this. This is the company website of an Australian company called Safaritanks. All links mentioned in this video are in the description below, by the way. This company is currently developing an aftermarket fuel tank for our beloved T7s. I didn't see any videos on this product, so I was like, I will do it. Like the website states, the fuel tank will be 45 liters. That's 11.9 gallons of capacity. And they say that they are still testing it, finalizing, so R&D is still being done. And they're gonna sell it in the new year. I assume they mean 2024. Pricing will be finalized shortly, but I saw somewhere it will be around 3,000 euros. That's like I think 2,800 American dollars, and yeah, it will only fit the standard Teneres. So not the world rate, not the world rally, but it will fit the standard Tenere and the rally Tenere and the Explorer and the Extreme edition. You have two options. You can run it with a standard fuel pump or run it with a extra fuel pump from an ATV. I would opt for the extra fuel pump unless it's really heavy. And you can enlist for the pre-order list in here. According to my calculations, with 45 liters of fuel, you can drive 1,000 kilometers, because most people do need 4.5 liters for 100 kilometers. So yeah, if you do that times 10, you will be in a 1,000 kilometers fuel range, which is awesome. It will be double from the world rate. And by the way, 1,000 kilometers of range is equivalent to 621 miles. So that's insane. Also, the fuel tank looks a little bit like the KTM 790, 890 Adventure. This one. So probably the protection capabilities of this bike will also be transferred to the Tenere 700, because you will get a little bit of a bigger bulge in the bottom. So maybe it will make the crash bars redundant, just like on this bike. People say you don't need crash bars on this bike. So with this fuel tank mod, you will replace the 16-liter tank with the 45-liter tank. So you will triple your fuel capabilities, because 29 liters will be added. And what can we tell from the pictures? The fuel tank and the bash plate, they look like one, so they're probably designed, yeah, not probably, they are designed together, which changes the look of the Tenere a little bit. And in picture number 2, you can see not only the range but also the aviation capabilities of the T7 increase with installing the fuel tank system. Look at the guy fly, man. No, but seriously, in picture number 3, you can see the sticker set that is on this Tenere is perforated. That will probably mean that the fuel tank is made out of plastic, which looks like it if you look at it really well. And plastic always vaporizes a little bit, always breathes a little bit. The gasoline will vaporize out of it. So to prevent your sticker set from bubbling and bulging off, they have perforated it. And also the plastics, they don't look like the standard plastics, of course, because they bend a little bit outwards in here. And also this fuel tank, just like on the KTM 790 and the 890 Adventure, They provide a little bit of deterrence for the engine behind it. So the clutch cover you can see here and the water pump in here, they're a little bit more protected from items that might come in from the front. So there's no more direct access for rocks and whatever's to hit this. So that's nice, some extra protection. And maybe even you can rest your shin on here to when you're standing up, you can control the bike a little bit better than the standard Tenere, I think. And in picture number 4, I don't see anything special. Maybe the dirt in here, but that has nothing to do with the bike. And the blinker is not installed on this one, but I assume that's because of testing. They probably take off and put on the plastics multiple times per day or week. So yeah, and who needs blinkers anyway in the off-road? Questions I have with this product: will it come with the plastics? Will it come with the bash plate for the money, the 2,700 or the 3,000 euros? I surely hope so. It comes with it. Also the sticker set. Will it come with a sticker set, or will it at least come with a template you can send to your sticker company? And yeah, will you be able to still mount crash bars, or will they be redundant? I think the upper crash bars you can still mount on your Tenere, but the lower crash bars will be near to impossible, I think. Or will it be, yeah. Oh, and the last question I have is the release system on the fuel caps. You can see there are twin caps for the left and the right tank. Will there be twisties like in the standard Tenere, or will they hinge like the Tenere World Raid and the World Rally? Or will they hinge on this lever I think I see here? I think I see a little link here, so maybe they will open higher than on the World Raid and the Tenere, and just they will be on one system, one arm, and then whoop, go up simultaneously, which will be nice. And will they have keys? Yeah, this was the video. Let me know in the comments if you are looking forward to this product, or do you prefer auxiliary tanks, just like this from Camel ADV, or this one from Pannonian, which will both add 5 liters. And by the way, this company, Pannonian, has a really nice top rack, especially for the money. But anyways, yeah, would you buy this? Do you think it's too expensive or overkill? Or would you even add an auxiliary tank with it? Do you have any more info on this kit? You can leave it in the comments. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good one.